The new cafe in town. When the new cafe opened down the street, Sam and his friends were excited to try it out. They had heard reviews about the freshly baked pastries and the unique coffee blends. One sunny Saturday morning, they decided to head over for breakfast. The cafe had a warm and welcoming vibe, with cozy seating and the aroma of coffee filling the air. Sam ordered a cappuccino and a croissant, while his friends chose different pastries. As they sat together, they discussed everything from work to weekend plans, enjoying the relaxed atmosphere. By the time they left, Sam knew they had found a new favorite spot. They all agreed to make it a regular place for catching up, especially on lazy weekend mornings.